Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the Cricut Explorer Air 2. Just going to give y'all the basics of the machine, how it works, what it comes with, and everything. So as you see, mine is still in a box. I used it maybe 1 or 2 times. So now I'm going to open up so y'all can actually see what's actually in the box. Okay, y'all, so here's the Cricut. So let's talk about what comes in the box. So first you have the Cricut machine. That's the first big thing that comes in the box. Then you have this USB power cord right here that you can see. This end right here plugs up into your laptop, and this end right here plugs up into the back of the Cricut to attach to your laptop. I will turn around a little bit so y'all can see. And then you get the power cord. So the other thing you get in with the Cricut is you get the Cricut book. This is basically like an instruction manual of just telling you different stuff about the Cricut. Also give you some good ideas that you can make with the Cricut and everything. This comes in there too. Also, you will get a Cricut light grip mat. See, mine's a little dirty. I've been using it, but yeah, you'll also get this in there too. So now I'm going to turn the Cricut around, teach y'all how to plug it up and how does it actually works. So now we're at the back of our Cricut right here. It has 2 ports back here. This port right here is for that cord right there. This one that actually goes to your laptop if you're going to use your laptop. Mine's is still tied up because I most of the time use my iPad to do it, so I don't need to connect anything. I just use the Bluetooth. So you don't have to use a computer. You can use an iPad, just Bluetooth it to the Cricut, and it will still work the same way as on the computer. But if you're a computer person, you does get the USB cord to connect it with your laptop if you want to. And then this other thing right here is the power button. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this right here in, right there. Then we're going to turn our Cricut around and turn it on. Okay, so now that our Cricut is plugged up, so let's talk about the buttons on the Cricut. So this button right here is the power button. This is how we turn the Cricut on. As you can hear, it is coming on. So, and this right here is like for, I forgot what this slot is for. But so this right here is for to open the Cricut. As you can see, it is open. And this is where you would start creating your designs. So here you do have 2 compartments for like your blades to put in here if you would like. Also, you can put like Cricut tools or pens or small, sticky note stuff that you just want on hand. So right here you have a slot A and then you have a B. The B is for your blades. You can change these out. This is the one that actually comes with my Cricut. This is the one that actually comes with the Cricut. So you can like change it out. Like basically it's just like, loosen it up, open it, and pull it out. And this is the blade that came with mine. This is what cuts it. And when you're ready to use it, put it in there, snap it back. This is for the pen. It also comes with the pen too. This right here, you can actually write stuff. So when you want to use it, you just take off this top, stick it in there, and close it back up. So let's get over here to the other side. So over here you have like 2 sides. This arrow right here is for loading, to load in the mat. This right here is to create something from Cricut. And this is to pause. Over here you have your custom knob where you can do paper, vinyl, iron-on, cornstarch, light cornstarch, bonded fabric poster board, or you can just go to custom. So whatever material you are using, make sure that you use this knob over here to adjust it properly so you can get your precise cut that you want. So next I'm going to talk about some tools. And these tools does not come with the Cricut, but it is very essential that you would need them to actually be able to use the Cricut and do certain stuff. So I'm going to show y'all some tools that I bought. So here are the tools that I decided to about to go with my Cricut. There are plenty of other tools that you might need in case, depending on what kind of design or any type of craft project you want to do, but these are just the basic simple ones that I grab right here. You have this is like the scraper, basically lights on your map, to scrape stuff up if you want to get stuff off. And here are the scissors. You have like the little tweezer to like pick up stuff, and here's a smaller little like flatten up tool to like get something off the mat. And this to me, I feel like it's the most important tool if you're going to be doing a lot of iron on, a lot of vinyl. This tool right here is the weeder. This is basically where you create something and you take this tool and you weed out the small little vinyl that you do not need. So this is a great tool. Also, you don't want to actually waste a lot of vinyl because the vinyl is very, very expensive. So when you actually do a tool, you can use your tools to weed out the stuff. But before you do that, you would like to cut your vinyl. And sometimes when you use actual scissors, you do not cut straight. Sometimes it can be kind of crooked. So I actually bought the cutter right here. This is very simple. Like you lift it up, you put your vinyl or paper in there, and you slide it to cut it precise. So then you can actually take the other part of that actually have your design up there and actually start weeding it out with the process. So yes, these are like a couple of tools that I bought to go with my Cricut. So now I'm going to show y'all the actual program that you actually use to design your designs, which is called Design Space. Okay, y'all, so this is Design Space. This actually comes with the Cricut. You just have to load it up to your computer or phone, depending on what you're using, and connect it to your Cricut. And this is where you actually like design your stuff. Like it's plenty of stuff you can actually do. Like you can create designs, the squares. Also, you can actually load up pictures from like your images. You can do texts like they also have a lot of already theme images in here. So yes, some of them are not free. They do have free ones, but this Cricut Design Space has a bunch of images that's already loaded up here. Only thing you have to do is pay like 99 cents for them, and you can keep using them over and over and over. I mean, and then it's like I said, it's so many. Also, you can actually search the free ones. And see, it would actually bring up free image like this one right here is free. Also look free. So there are some that are actually free. They are really, really decent. And then like I said, you can actually download these and, you know, just custom to how you like them. Like plenty of images. So now we're going to talk about loading up the mat into the machine. So we are still in design space. So basically what I did, I'm going to do a practice my Nike sign with y'all. So basically what I did is I uploaded the image. So basically right here you go to where you says upload, and you can select from take a photo, select from your photo gallery, or browse files, or open and upload the image. So I already had images uploaded. So yeah, and I basically clicked on the image I wanted and click insert. So that's how I got to this. And after that, I mean, you just basically resize it how you want it. You can change the width, the height. You can rotate it horizontally, vertical, like different simple stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this image. So you have to hit make over here. And then it's going to ask you 12 by 12. And basically the 12 by 12 is what you're putting on your sheet. So this is more, well, actually, yeah, this is a 12 by 12 that's actually on my sheet right here. It's a 12 by 12. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that right there into the sheet. And so then basically over here, it's going to tell you where it's going to be at. So basically go over here and hit continue. Okay, y'all, so let's try that again. I guess it was not connected to my Cricut. Just make sure if you're using your iPad or phone, your Bluetooth is connected to your Cricut. So that's what I had to do. So once I did that, just hit continue. And it's going to like load up the image, and then it's going to ask you whether you're doing paper, sticker, or sticker. So remember, like over here when we was talking about the dowels, so I'm doing vinyl, which is iron on vinyl. So I'm going to like turn it to my iron on vinyls. So when you turn it to iron on vinyl, I don't know if you can see it, but see it's turned to iron on. This will automatically adjust on your screen. And it will say make sure you mirror is turned down and the iron on and the shiny side is face down. So it comes with two sides. So it comes with the dull side and the shiny side. So make sure that it's meaning up here. So this is my dull side. So make sure that the dull side is face down and the shiny side is face down and the dull side is up. That way, if when you mirror the image with it being iron on, it'll actually be turned the right way. So right here, let's make sure our mirror button is turned down. Right here, this is our mirror turned off. So let's hit that and turn our mirror button on. Okay, so once our mirror button up there is on, as you see how it flipped the check, so it could be backwards, but this is fine because this is how we want it to look. Because when we actually take it off the mat, it would be the right way so we can iron onto our shirt. So here we go. So now we have to, once we adjust it, make sure our blade is in there. We're going to load our mat. So over here, you see that blinking button right there. It's telling us to load the mat. So basically we're going to hit that button. That's going to load our mat. So let's see. We're going to hold it so y'all can get a good view. Like, do not push it, but just hit the button and see how it loads itself up in there. See, once you have loaded to mat, then once you load to mat, and then you'll go back here to your screen, and then they'll tell you to press go. Turn on to cut or write up 2 times faster. You hit that button. If you just want it to go regular speed, then just press the Cricut button. That's go over here, which is that button right there that is blinking. So we're just going to press go. And see, it would actually say cutting. So basically, it's actually cutting our design. And once the action is actually complete, as you can see it, I don't know, with the light and the glare, it finished cutting our Nike sign. And it would say on your screen, action complete, and the cut has been complete. So you just hit OK, and then press this same button right here to unload. And that is it for our design. And as you can see, you got the Nike sign. Okay, as y'all see, the Cricut is very simple to use. Different designs you can do. I will make more videos on designs that you can do with the Cricut, but I just wanted to show the Cricut, what's in the box, and the easy steps in creating your first project and how each thing works on the Cricut. I also will be doing videos on where I get my vinyl from, the quality of the vinyl, where I get my iron-on sheets. All of that are more videos to come. So make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. If you need help with making something and I can make a video for you to show you how to do it, or if you just have any questions about the Cricut in general, just leave a comment down below and I will see if I can help you. Also, like I said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.